And I will say one thing too for our Indian viewers: please refrain from leaving negative comments about our pending crossing into Pakistan. It doesn't really align with our videos, so keep your comments to yourself.
Keep it positive, guys.
Yes.
You're all really nice people, so...
Okay, I'm making this video to all the travel vloggers out there as a heads up. These guys right here, they're travel vloggers. I've been following them ever since they have been traveling in India in their 4x4. Now these guys, they got arrested in Iran. Yes, they got arrested. Now this thing is a bit of a shock to me because I was literally following these guys the whole time, and these guys, they were just like any other travel vloggers, just driving around India from one city to another on the highways. They were having a good time, no problems there. And before India, they've been to Southeast Asia, no problems there. Oh, by the way, their YouTube channel goes by the name The Way Overland. Okay, so anyways, bit of a backstory. These guys, they quit their jobs in mid-2017, and they just wanted to travel across 36 countries, which was supposed to end in England. Now guys, it is good to be politically right, it's good to be nice to all the people, but then you gotta know, I mean, you can't just travel around places where the governments are not stable. I mean, when things keep repeating. So these guys drove around in their 4x4 in these countries, and they just wanted to prove that it is safe for all the visitors, which is from a good intention, of course. And they even wrote online that our biggest motivation behind the vlogs is to hopefully inspire anyone wanting to travel, which is very positive in my opinion, if you ask me. But then motivating someone in a way that might cause harm, now that is totally not done. Now look what happened. Some of the reports say that these guys might be facing 10 years in jail. Now I hope that doesn't happen. I hope these two countries like Australia and Iran, they come to negotiating terms, and these guys, they get released and start doing the thing they love again. Now these guys, they were flying their drones in Iran just like they did in India, and they were not aware that they needed government's permission, and somebody caught them doing that and they got arrested. Now with Pakistan, is it any safe? I've been hearing from certain people that these travel bloggers, the famous travel bloggers, they're getting paid by the government in Pakistan to come and vlog, which is not a bad thing. Obviously, they want to increase their tourism potential. So, but at the same time, I've been hearing that these travel bloggers are being escorted by security guards. Now, if you're being escorted with security guards, then there is a serious problem with that. If you're traveling in some country, you need to travel free, not being escorted by some security agency. Now, why am I talking about Pakistan? Because this was a country they drove across in their 4x4 before driving into Iran. And this was where they were being escorted by security guards. But if you still want to travel there, but that is something to keep in mind. And these guys, when they went to Iran, they broke the rules by flying the drone knowingly or unknowingly. But the aftermath is they're going to be spending some time in jail now. Now the problem is the punishment sometimes for breaking the rules is somewhat a lot severer than other countries. Because if you risk it like these guys did, you're not only putting yourself into trouble, but also you're causing trouble to your friends and families back home. So by all means, do travel around the world, play it smart and play it safe.